Hello everyone, welcome back to our vlog. Right now we are in Japan with
We have been
with
there.
Dr. Aaron, with Dr. Dharni. So we want to show you the local Japanese culture and also the streets of Japan and the roads of Japan. So right now we are in
We have Fujikyu Island. We are in Kawaguchi, which is a lake, and we are more near to a place called Fujikyu Island.
yes.
Yeah.
So we show you our hotel. So here we are living Royal Fuji. So we will walk, show you the Japanese road, and we will go to the Fuji-Q Highland, and then you guys can also see the Japanese beauty.
You can see the school children here.
Yes, these are the school children, I think. And the main thing I noticed here, the Japanese house, they are very beautiful, very small and very beautiful. Not very tall buildings here, only small houses because Japan is well known about earthquake. So that's why. And the roads are very clean.
So here is a pizza place.
Oh, I see. Guys, here you can see a wonderful view. Everywhere you see the mountains. And here I noticed the cars. Cars are different, The Japanese, they mostly use the small cars. But we are trying to get the bicycle.
Right.
And here we can use the
Very
Alipay.
translate.
Guys, unluckily our phone are not supporting, to download this app. So that's why we give up this idea and now we are walking. And here I show you the road. The view is very beautiful, amazing. And one more thing we noticed here, the Japanese, they use Chinese as well everywhere because many Chinese people they visit. So in subway, in train, everywhere they write English, Japanese and Chinese because many Chinese, they are working and studying here and living here, so that's why they use their language to understand easily. So this is good sign. The kids are playing football, and here is the family mart. Guys, here is the filling station. I think this is petrol or diesel. The roads are very beautiful actually, you guys see. Very clean, very beautiful, and in front of these roads you can see the mountains. Wonderful. And here you see the mountains. It's also amazing. It's almost the sunset. Look at this beautiful path. Wow. It's amazing. Very clear line. We can see the very clear line. It seems like here is the Mount Fuji. The snow is on the top. It seems like snow is on the top, and it looks very beautiful. This is also beautiful view. Amazing. It's very amazing. Now we can see, guys. We can see the mountain Fuji is covered with snow. The white part is like a dome, right? It's like a sand dune. Yes. It's clear now, almost. This is the Mount Fuji.
It's clearing. It's clearing.
Now it's clear, guys. You can see behind me the Mount Fuji is clear with snow. It's like a sand dune. It's like a dome. Behind me you can see the white line is covered with snow. is amazing. So this is the front view of the Mount Fuji. Yes guys, here you can see the top of the mountain Fuji. This is mountain Fuji, you can see the top. So I think we got a clear view. Here it seems like the mountain Fuji top is covered with the snow.
Yes, yes. Yes, Mount Fuji, yes.
Oh, this is good. So this
Thanks for stopping. Hey, but unbelievable, man. Like,
The issues of this storm?
yeah, this is the top of the mountain Fuji. He is a Japanese and he is telling us that this is the top.
Half Fuji, Mount Fuji, half.
Yeah, guys, you can see behind us the clear view. It's a Mount Fuji, and he is telling us that this is the top of the mountain Fuji. Oh, very good and beautiful view. Wow, finally we got the view. We went to the top, but we didn't get it. But now we were just roaming and we found it. So big and so tall. Wow.
unbelievable. Right?
Unbelievable, bhai. Unbelievable, you see.
So I've never seen.
that-
See, people talk about Himalayas and all, but
Yeah, we never see, but here we
and
finally
it doesn't
found.
feel real. I mean, like too high.
Yes, too high,
What is
exactly.
the height of Mount Fuji?
It's not very high, like so. It means this is so high. So the K2 and Mount Everest, they will be outstanding. You know,
Yeah, but
is
that's
half
what
of
I'm thinking.
is half of the K2 and I think
3,000.
yeah, half and half,
But
less
you
than
know,
half.
This is, I think Himalayas is around 8,000 meters.
3776 meters. 3776 meters high. Okay.
Guys, finally you see the outstanding view. Outstanding view. Amazing. Finally we caught it. It seems like it's autumn.
Sunlight
Very amazing.
வந்து பளிச்சுன்னு தெரியுது. Maybe இல்லனா எல்லாமே பார்த்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா இந்த மாதிரி maybe அதோட வெட்டு இந்த சைடு view இருக்கு.
Japan is amazing. This is a beautiful place. The sunset view. Wow. Sun is going down. Amazing view. It's also amazing that in Japan it's around 5 now and the sun is going down. It's sunset now.
It's a hospital.
And
orthopedic surgery.
the morning is also early, around 4:45 the sunrise. So this is also amazing in Japan. And here I show you the front view. Wow, it's amazing. See the mountains. This is amazing, guys. Outstanding. And the weather is good, cool, and we are enjoying here, and the beautiful, you know, the environment and the roads. Guys, here you can see the beautiful road. Amazing. And is you know, the side path. It's amazing view. Wonderful. This is just a normal road, and you see the greenery and the buildings, house, and mountains. Everything is clean and managed by proper way, you know. Let's go to Sims. Visit this shop. And we buy something from here. गाइस अभी आपको थोड़ा जापानीज़ फूड भी दिखा दें और जापानीज़ नूडल्स की जो डिफरेंट वैरायटीज़ हैं वो ज़रा मैं आपको दिखाऊं कि जापानीज़ नूडल किस तरह के हैं। ये देखें, ये एक नूडल है ये नूडल मुझे थोड़ा बेहतर लगा है क्योंकि इसमें जस्ट ग्रीन चिली, ग्रीन पेपर और साथ में कॉर्न और इस तरह का कोई मटेरियल है। नूडल की बहुत वैरायटीज़ वैसे यहाँ पड़ी हैं और ड्रिंक्स भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं यहाँ, ये देखिए। और यहाँ पे भी ये भी नूडल्स पड़े हैं और ये स्टोर काफ़ी बड़ा है वैसे, बहुत सारी चीज़ें इसमें हैं। और यहाँ देखें ये सब्ज़ियाँ जो है ये किस तरह इन्होंने रखी हुई हैं, मीट किस तरह रखा हुआ है, बहुत बड़ा स्टोर है। तो हमने सोचा कि चलो सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए कोई नूडल हम ले लें ताकि नूडल जो है इंस्टेंट नूडल खा के गुजारा कर लिया जाए सुबह। तो वो हम ले रहे हैं। फिर बाकी कोई ड्रिंक्स वगैरह भी ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि कोई हमें पसंद आ जाए, वो भी हम लेते हैं। ये नूडल में मुझे ज़रा सही लग रहे हैं तो मैं ये वाले ट्राई करता हूँ कि ये नूडल हम देखते हैं किस तरह का टेस्ट आता है इनका। गाइस ये देखें ये वाटर स्टोर है और इस लड़की ने यहाँ से पानी जो है ख़रीदा है। और यहाँ पे जापान में हर शॉप पे शायद इस तरह के जो वाटर स्टोर हैं, आई मीन वाटर स्टेशन, आप अपनी खाली बोतल लेके आएँ और अंदर जो है रखें और आपको सस्ता पानी मिल जाएगा। तो बजाय कि आप मिनरल वाटर लें तो ये भी एक किस्म का मिनरल वाटर ही है और आप यहाँ से ख़रीद सकते हैं वाटर। तो इट मीन्स के हर तरह की फैसिलिटी यहाँ पे लोगों के लिए अवेलेबल है। ये जी कुछ बूढ़े लोग जा रहे हैं और ये शायद यूरोपियन हैं और इस ठंडे वेदर में एंजॉय करने के लिए आए हुए हैं माउंट फ्यूजी, क्योंकि माउंट फ्यूजी का जो वेदर है वो अच्छा है, तो इन लोगों के लिए तो सूटेबल है। गाइस ऑलमोस्ट शाम हो चुकी है यहाँ और हमने काफ़ी इंजॉय किया है, घूमे हैं हम स्ट्रीट्स, रोड और काफ़ी शूट भी किया है मैंने। तो आप लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा होपफुली, क्योंकि जापान का वेदर और स्पेशली माउंट फ्यूजी का वेदर अभी अच्छा है। यहाँ पे थोड़ी थोड़ी ठंड है और यहाँ वॉक करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, नेचुरल ब्यूटी बंदा देखता है और साथ में माउंटेन्स वगैरह भी। तो अभी हम वापस जा रहे हैं अपने होटल। थोड़ी चीज़ें हमने ली हैं, ये देखिए वाटर, नूडल्स और साथ में कुछ ड्रिंक वगैरह। तो डॉक्टर आरोन, डॉक्टर दानी ये भी इंजॉय करके जा रहे हैं वापस होटल। टुमारो वी विल विजिट फ्यूजी क्यू हाईलैंड and I will compile that video and will upload on my vlog channel. So guys, you watch and enjoy and support us from Pakistan, from India. We need your support. We need that you subscribe our channel and watch our videos. In future we will be going to visit some more countries and show you different beautiful locations. Yes. Till tomorrow. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. And we will go to visit Fuji Q Highland.